Huawei P Smart, a phone that never caught my attention until now. I've just figured out that it existed. This is the 2017 model, and this is the LX1. In other words, FIG-LX1. Now, this video is to show you how to get into it to take it apart. I need to take it apart because I need to perform a screen replacement. Therefore, it is of profit that I should show you how to take it apart. Here we are. So now, this one turns out to be a little straightforward, and courtesy of a video I've found on YouTube. Now, SIM card tray is out, and always make sure that is the case. And then the next stage is just to get in between the frame and the phone. Having said that, that means we're going to simply keep moving along the frame as we nudge it open. Interesting one. I think this is, we're just trying to make it easy for us. I don't get it. Okay, and when that lifts, I don't suppose this should follow suit, but if it doesn't, let me proceed to the next side and also get in between there. This is where a surgical blade comes in handy, because it really slides in. And trust me when I tell you that this lock is tight. And having done that, I like to think this is supposed to, is it supposed to come out as one or as pieces? I think it's supposed to come out as one. Anyway, the essence of this video is so that you learn from my mistake and you do the perfect task. So actually this wasn't, I almost tore the fiber. Pay attention whenever I see a fingerprint fiber. So just disconnect that and this. So this wasn't displaying, and I noticed this fiber is out, so I'm going to force to plug it in right there, and then let's see when you slip it and wake it up. Okay, let me just power it down and then power it on. So I guess this video serves as a 2-in-1. I get to show you how to take it apart, and I get to show you how to solve a screen that wasn't displaying. It's very strange that this happened, but then I guess nothing was pressing this down, so I think someone had removed that plate and never put it back. Now we'll have to figure a way of leaving it pressed. That wasn't the battery. The battery is here. Now we plug the battery in. The camera lenses need some bit of cleaning. That is going to come in the next video. I'll show you how to deal with that. And so right now, let me hit the power button. The power's on and says Huawei. Okay, this is great. So I think I can sell this phone as is. Let's just see if it actually touches. That would be fine for me. I'd be grateful, because the model itself doesn't give me hope that it is easily findable on the market. Meanwhile, as that powers on, I'm going to take this advantage to clean here and stick these two together. So let me get my isopropyl alcohol. Haven't shown you how to open. And then, so this is it. I don't know. This is actually isopropyl alcohol. I just say home cleaning reagent, which is in itself not very conclusive, and I just presume it is isopropyl alcohol, because I see that's what everyone in electronics tends to use. So that's wiped. Attention, battery empty. Now why was it busy buzzing? So I'm just going to wipe that so that this could be glued together. And having confirmed that the screen has displayed, let me just put this back in there. I know these back cameras will eventually need to get glass for them, because it's pointless keeping them like this. Okay, alright, now there we go. And we put the first screw. Is that helpful? I presume so. And then this was supposed to slide into anything. I need to just confirm that. Oh yeah, it does. So it slides and locks in there. Okay. I was wondering where that mechanism goes, so also bring this. And so thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, but I think no, let me do it in this video. So just show you how to deal with the dirty camera lens. Bring this, fold it once, twice, thrice, and 4 times. We want that tip. Now that tip is what goes and points at the lens. Then we press this down, and then we do a circular clean like that. It's appearing shiny now. We do that for the next one. Then we'll come back for that one. So once, twice, thrice, 4 times. Okay, well, that's quadruple. Okay, now that appears also clean. Let's now go the second round. 1, 2, 3, and then 3, and then 4. You want that tip. Then I push it down, then start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've done 15 times. And then we go for the second turn for the second camera. Turn that once, twice, thrice, then 4 times. I'm okay using toilet paper, that's the irony, but this is the high grade that has only 2 pries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's that. We're good to go. Now we proceed to close, but I need to put something onto this to prevent it from jumping out again. That is going to be some what material should I use? So I want to trim a piece of this laptop packaging material that comes in box. This needs a certain thickness, and then that, so that will help me squeeze down on the fiber so it doesn't spring out of socket. So that is going over here. Okay, and I think I should use it to also hold the fingerprint down to some extent. So then put it at that point where they attempt to share. Now that that is done, we need our power button back. It had run. Okay, there, down, and we bring. I don't think I need this glass here. It's all dirty and of no use anymore. Let me clean that area also, such that at least we are giving the client a good job. Okay, that's out. Now this is just a hole. I need to clear off dust. Okay, get more tissue. I like this tissue. Very good for toilet duties and very good for repair duties. Just the best. I don't know who the maker is, but I will give them a shout out. If you come to Uganda, I would recommend them for your repairs and for your convenience. out the dust, and then bring this. I think I threw the button away. I'm trying to blow away the dust. Very sad. Anyway, like, share, and subscribe. We meet. For now, let me just bring the back and glue it together. This area is supposed to receive its brother. Where are you, brother? I need to clean the dust out of the brother. Okay. Brother is too dusty for his own good. Alright, that would also suggest that this must be dusty, so we don't want that dust gets into our camera. Yeah, so dust proofing is simply to make sure that dust never ends up in your camera. So now this guy can come into place. I was sort of tempted to use super glue, but I don't quite think it's the best choice for me. Why are you refusing? Something was trying to make my life hard. Okay, there we go.